big site. So we are 10 kilometres long basically, and in the piece we've got designers. So we've got Ryan here, but there's a bunch of designers. Designers can be anything from senior engineers through to, we've got a comms team, so we've got a stakeholder manager and a comms manager. A real important team called our traffic team. Our traffic team do our traffic management. And this is the Crawford Street upgrade, so it basically is going to be 2 lanes and both.
3D side of things.
Guide where they are, trying to build the road as such. So if you want see on the sheet.
So basically it's just a nail between the other identifiable points, and by moving this up and down it does rotate itself, so you only sort of have to know what you're doing.
One of the biggest things around our job is communicating something. So we have all these structures on this job that we need to design to make sure they understand.
It's supposed to look like a wooded forest, and then we've got the likes of them that big and that far apart each direction.
Well, the main things with this is one way Hi, I'm Ruben. I'm a zone manager, so I'm part of a team managing construction of Zone 1. Zone 1's from the Waimak River down to Preston's Road. So part of the team, I've got 3 engineers who work with me, and together we work with all the other teams, Rob and Eugene and design, and Karen and trucking and safety, to together deliver the job. And I think that's one of the things that I really enjoy about the job is the collaborative nature. And I think what will take you from coming out of school or coming out of a trade or uni, what will take you from good to great, or being someone with a piece of paper at the back of the line or someone at the front of the line who companies are really keen on working with, is the way you can communicate and talk and interact with people. And that's not to say that you might be really good at it now, but that's something that everyone in this room can make a conscious decision and choose to be good at, or choose to work on. So I'd encourage you all to work on not just getting a technical qualification or a set of skills, but work on how you talk to people, because a big part of my job, it's one thing I really enjoy is the diverse nature of the job. So from in the morning I can be seeing an old lady down the alignment who's concerned about our trucks vibrating her house, and she might be really concerned about that too. Liaising with the design team or other zones or concerned stakeholders. So yeah, that's me.
So I'm a zone manager on this job as well. My name is Rob. I've been working for this company about 3 years now. So what I'm doing about the same as what Ruben is doing, just on a different part of the job. So the Windsor Road subway that we walk through, that is one section of the job that I'm looking after. So I'll tell a bit more about my background and why I actually enjoy construction a lot. So as you guys might hear by now, like, English is not my first language and I'm not from here. So So anybody, any idea where I could be from? Anybody good in accents at all? Or give it a go? Yeah?
Germany.
Oh, close. Dutch. So I'm a Dutchie. So I left the country about 6 years ago, for different reasons, but I was like, let's see a little bit more of the world. So I started traveling and ended up in New Zealand a couple of years back. And one of the reasons why it was really easy for me to leave the country and to be able to settle elsewhere is just my construction background and the construction degree that I have, the engineering. There's so many jobs in the world in whole engineering and construction and anything related to that. And there's a lot of countries that actually have a shortage of engineers as well. And they set up a shortage list, which makes it really easy for everyone to get a visa and actually work in a country, which is really cool. And that's one of the reasons that I'm here now working on this job. So yeah, just imagine you can go anywhere and do great projects and work with great people and get visas and yeah, just do great out there in the world. So I'm not saying that you have to leave the country to do a good job and work on nice projects. Like this motorway is a major project for New Zealand, and it's really cool to work on a project like this, which has such a big influence on a country like New Zealand. But there is so much opportunity out there as well. So if you feel like seeing a bit more of the world and getting out there, the opportunity is there with construction. That's the message I want to pass on to you guys.